Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable to share usage data in the TfL Go application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button, and at the usage data section look for this share usage data button, and in order to enable it just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turned green, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.